Welcome to the tutorial on how to utilize the time slice feature on a TVT recorder. It is one of the most powerful searching features available on a TVT recorder, analog, as well as IP recorders. We start off by clicking on the search and backup option at the bottom left of the screen. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to make use of a case study where our vehicle got moved, and we want to know who moved the vehicle. We click on the window of the camera that monitors that specific area. From there, we'll be able to select the month by clicking on a window. The date. You'll see the date displayed on the top of each window. And then select the relevant hour. So, I look in the different windows to see when our vehicle is visible, and then when it's gone. At around 8:44 we can see that our vehicle is no longer there. If I click on a few moments before, at 8:28, I immediately get footage of a person walking towards the vehicle and then subsequently, moving the vehicle. If the vehicle is gone, within 2 minutes or less, I can find out who moved the vehicle and where the vehicle has gone. This is evident and can be used in any situation, from a handbag, to a cell phone, to various objects that you are looking for. The time slice feature highlights the importance of advanced lost search, in a highly effective and effortless way. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated for more videos.